everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make kakitamajiru. Kakitamajiru is Japanese egg soup. It's very similar to Chinese egg soup, but it's a little lighter than Chinese one because there isn't any oil in it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu using this kakitamajiru, so stay with me till the end. Let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Kombu seaweed, katsuobushi bonito flakes, it's about 10 gram, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 gram wakame seaweed, and some green onion to garnish. At first, I'm going to make Dashi Japanese soup stock. 4 cups of cold water into the pot. Let's put kombu seaweed, turn the heat on and simmer it until you start to see small bubbles at the bottom of the pot, right before it starts to boil. I started to see small bubbles at the bottom of the pot. Let's turn the heat off. Remove the kombu seaweed. And this kombu seaweed is only for the flavor, not to eat, so you can throw it away. Prepare kitchen paper about this size. Put katsuobushi in the middle. Wrap it up with the kitchen paper. With this clothing facing down, dunk it into the pot. Leave it for about 10 minutes with the heat off to infuse katsuobushi bonito flakes. In the meantime, let's slice the green onion. Nothing difficult. Cut the bottom off. Cut them in half. Put them together. Cut them in half. Put them together and then slice. Let's put this in a small bowl and put it aside. Back to the dashi soup stock. Katsuobushi is well infused, so I'm going to take it out. Put it on the ladle and gently press it down. Katsuobushi is again only for the flavor, so you can throw it away. And dashi soup stock is ready. It's very easy and quick to make compared to chicken stock. But if this is too much work, you can just dissolve 2 teaspoons of hondashi instant soup stock into the water. Let's season the dashi soup stock with salt and soy sauce. Turn the heat back on and bring it to boil. Now dashi soup stock is boiling, so I'm adding the eggs. Let's put 2 eggs into the bowl. And beat it well. I'm adding the egg little by little as I stir the dashi soup stock. Egg will cook quickly, so after you put all the eggs, turn the heat off. Add dried wakame seaweed, sliced green onion. Give it a quick mix. Leave it for a few minutes to rehydrate the wakame seaweed. Looks good, so let's have it in the soup bowl. And kakitamajiru is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Dashi soup stock is super flavorful. It's layers and layers of flavor. Yum! This is how standard Japanese combo meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Kakitamajiru goes here and plain rice here. You can have whatever you like for the main dish, but I think I want to have some tempura, both shrimp and vegetable. For one of the side dish, I usually have some sort of pickle, so let's put it here. I'm sorry, I don't have video for this one yet. For the other side dish, I think I want to have something refreshing, so let's have onion salad. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.